All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor camera, and this comes with its own solar panel. The hardest part to install this is not installing the camera, it's actually the software. So that's the only thing you have to set up prior to setting up anywhere high. All right, now this camera itself rotates almost 360. It has antennas for 2.4 hertz, all right, for your wireless. Now underneath is very important. This is what you need to know in here. So if you want to capture more video, instead of purchasing cloud space, you could actually put a micro SD card. You got your reset button, your power button, and that's pretty much it. Follow the instructions. Yeah, and to install the application, you have your LED lights, because this actually acts like a floodlight. It has two-way audio. It has a sensor here for motional sensor, AI sensor. It tracks people. All you got to do is pretty much mount this, clip this on, screw it on for security, attach your solar panel anywhere you want in the area, and then everything's included except for the actual tool. So let's put it together. All right, we're gonna put this camera on the post here, if you guys can see that. So we are gonna lock it in place right now a bit. So we're gonna clip it in, put the antennas high, all right, so you can get the good transmission. We do have a memory card that we're gonna install in a bit right now. So we're going to go over the features on the camera, and I'm just going to go with the basic stuff. So now that you download the application, you set it up, and you pretty much have multiple cameras. Like if you can see, I have multiple cameras in here, but we're going to go into the actual camera and see the quality of it. And I'm going to show you the night mode and day mode, of course, on this one. But I just want you to show you that you can do all these features right now as it is. So we could do a screenshot. We could do a two-way talking, which is all you have to do is hold on the actual microphone. We could record, motion detection, and then we could actually rotate the actual camera. We could turn on the light. Now on the bottom, if you guys see these features, there's actually more features in here: sirens, strobe lights, full colors, and albums, and that's pretty much it. History: if you have a memory card, it's gonna save a lot of information, any kind of movement and so forth. Right now, at the moment, we don't have a memory card. We are gonna do that. A cloud system, if you want to provide your own the services, you can do that too. So now let's go to live, and we're gonna do a remote into it, and then I'm gonna change the orientation of the actual phone so we could control. So when you change the orientation, if you guys can see that, it completely changed the whole atmosphere in here. And what you do is you just pretty much click here, this corner here, and you have remote access to all this. And this is pretty much a live view right now that we're looking at and capturing, but this is a feature that I like, that most like from just to remote into the system itself. It's very simple, and from here you can record, you could do screen capture, you could do two-way, and so forth. So all these features are included in this feature, in this camera itself, but multiple cameras have the same feature as this. Now the best thing I like about it is the two-way audio. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.